1 year ago, Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan were heading into a stretch of dry weather that would eventually develop into a drought. Well, now we're comparing where conditions stood then and where they are today. Meteorologist Davis Wells shows us how the two summers compare and how they differ. Davis?
Yeah, Tim, last year's drought didn't happen overnight. It developed as rainfall became less consistent and the region continued drying out. So to understand where we stand today, it helps to look at the rainfall from each summer as a whole, starting with 2025. Start with 2025. June brought just under 4 inches of rain. Then July had less at just under 3¼ inches. Then August finished with even less at under 1 inch. As summer went on, longer dry stretches began taking a toll. By this point last year, that drying trend was starting to show up on the drought map. Dry conditions expanded across Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan. And that was the beginning of a drought that continued to worsen into the fall. Now look at 2026. June brought about 3½ inches, July brought just over 2 inches, and so far this August we've picked up nearly 4½ inches. The totals show a different rainfall pattern leading into late summer this year. We are still seeing some signs of dryness across the region, but the setup is not identical to last year. The big question now is whether regular rain returns or whether dry stretches continue through the rest of August and into September. Another key factor will be how this upcoming fall and winter seasons treat our area. As of now, a strong El Niño is forecasted, which can provide us with a warmer than average season. However, that still doesn't dictate how our precipitation falls, whether it's as liquid rain or wet snow. Now, while the drought map may be showing some familiar signs, the path getting here has been very different. What happens over the next few weeks will determine whether dryness expands into the cooler months. Your WTOL 11 weather team will continue to closely monitor upcoming rain chances within the forecast. Reporting in studio, Davis Wells, WTOL 11.